Looking for the perfect yarn set for colorful crochet projects? Meet our Bobilon Rainbow Set, a vibrant collection of 9 mini skeins in beautiful rainbow shades. Each mini skein includes 20 meters, about 22 yards, of our premium Bobilon medium t-shirt yarn with a thickness of 7 to 9 millimeters. Together, the set gives you 180 meters or approximately 197 yards of high-quality t-shirt yarn, more than enough for a fun and practical project. For example, with just one rainbow set, you can easily crochet this beautiful, colorful handbag. It's stylish, beginner-friendly, and perfect for everyday use. Want to make one yourself? You'll find the complete step-by-step video tutorial on our channel. Our Bobilon t-shirt yarn is soft, durable, easy to work with, and creates beautifully defined stitches that make every project stand out. Whether you're making bags, baskets, home decor, or colorful accessories, the Rainbow Set gives you endless creative possibilities in one compact bundle. Happy crafting with Bobilon!